So we're going to try to fix this cricket expression. We're going to try to glue this thing. Where is that point? Just take all the rubbish off here. So where is that thing? Do you have to press it or what? Okay. So I'm going to try to glue up this little circuit. Shit, it's not gluing. It's not gluing. Ag, sit nie die lig weer aan?